Oh boy, take a look at this. This is the Rally. It's ready to roll, but the Rally car from Rallarlo, however you want to say it's 1/10 scale. It's the XTS-F10. It's a 10th scale. This was, I don't get discounts for these guys, even from DRC. I don't get discounts, although I do have affiliate links, but I paid full price for this. After coupons and everything, I paid for this kit here with the carbon fiber kit. I paid $238 and something after tax. So that's not a shabby price, On the website, on their own website, of course, it is. Yep, sorry. Don't want to cut anything. So where does this open? We'll find out in a second. Oh, it's cut away from you. Keep the knife away from you. It goes over there, so I don't get cut. With, of course, the blade facing away. Okay, let's get this back a little bit. Get the focus better. I'm just going right into this. This is a fast car, can go 50 plus miles an hour. So we're gonna look at first packet we got here. We got a lanyard strap or extra Velcro straps for your batteries. Their USB charger, extra parts and whatnot. Which I mean, like you got just a whole bunch of things that you can do to upgrade this. Okay, I want to get to the main event, but first we're gonna check this out. I'm only gonna keep this guy for a day or two because I'm gonna add. Oh god, I think it's a Sky. It's a nicer controller, but this is still beautiful right here. I can't help myself but tell myself, but this is awesome. Then it opens up. This is where you can reverse channels, throttle and steering trim and EP, whatever, all that stuff. And here's the main event. It is a gyro, on-the-fly gyro adjustments. This will take 4 AA's, which I do have, as rechargeables. Thank you, EBD, or whatever you call it. Well, those might be watch shoes, the 3400 milliamp ones. Uh-oh. Oh. Here we go. Nice box. Maybe I'll include some pictures in the comments. So we got these strapped down here. Who is Mr. Never Ready? I'm not trying to kill the car. Did I not bring scissors in here? I did not. Well, we'll just be careful. Okay. It's towards me. We can't do that. So I didn't mean to get all up in there. Now we're going to take a look at this. That one, let's take a look. Beautiful. And this is going to have, in my review and look over, which I'm sure most of you know about, the sucker has appropriate lights, high beams, has blinkers in them, whatever. And in the rear, it's going to have brake lights and reverse lights. And then, of course, there's, as you can see right there, let's see if I can get that to focus better. You see that little sucker right there? Well, it makes these random little streaks of light, and it makes it look like a rally car cracking. All right, let me get it open. We'll move ahead. All right. Look at this guy here. So, this is the battery compartment with the battery all ready to go in it. 4S deal here. I mean, the 3S. I think these are the Dean style, not the XT60 or something like that. Let's take a look. It comes with these 22 milliamp. One of these, let me see, I can't see so well. So 35C, nice. 35C 2200. A little long, but also slim, so that's good. Good compartment. Now, let's take a look here. First off, what people have been telling me is that they love the way the suspension is. Oh, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Okay, now we're going to get into that stupid packet here because it's part of unboxing. Because it also comes with other cool things here. All right. First off, it comes with a lot of decals and stickers and stuff you can use. A couple extra zip ties. Their USB charger, which they claim is almost as good as a balancer, but it never is as good as actually having a balancer. All right. Pads and whatnot. We'll figure out what that is for later. Like I said, I'm a newbie. So you got, first thing you got to look at here. These are stickers that you can put anywhere on your car. Maybe get yourself some fake, make it some fake sponsors. Arlarlo, which I hope I'm doing, or Arlarlo, you know, stickers, which I'll add a couple because I like the brand, even though I've only driven one other car, but car shell sticker guide, and back here for some modification and upgrade accessories. Oh, let's take a quick look at that. So I'm looking at that, and I'm seeing a lot to deal with. And then we got this guy here. Not glossy paper, which is whatever, but what I don't understand is why you're going to make such a big-ass book and not, you know, make it glossy and make the fonts a little bigger. But that's coming from a guy who's blind and old and, you know, lame. But that's it for this part. I'm going to be getting into the rest of it myself. I'll let you know in my impressions and review. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.